Leighton Vans have dominated the transporter scene. Now we are bringing that same authority to Ford. We're here to help you turn your stock Transit Custom into a seriously custom. Let's talk upgrades. First up, the LVRF steering wheel. Carbon leather, coloured stitch and heated. This isn't just a wheel, it's a complete transformation of your driving experience. From one wheel to the next, we have our LVT alloys. 3 designs, 4 finishes, achieve the look of your dreams. So behind the wheels, we have the amazing EBC Big Brake Kit. This kit gives you better response, sharper stopping, and a look that means business. Now for stance, lowering springs, drop it 40 to 65mm and watch your van go from workhorse to head turner. Sharper handling, meaner presence. And for the interior, we have brought the classic Leighton look to the Transit. You've got the interior lining, carpet lined, suede panels, LEDs, USBs, and you also have the sport seats leather upgrades. And finally, the details that make a difference, the LVRF barn door spoiler, carbon bumper protectors and door protectors, all designed to keep your van looking sharp while standing out from the rest. The standard look is dead. It's time to lighten up.